Now question number 7. A multi-story building. Multi-story building means in which there are many floors. Has 25 floors above the ground level. Each of height 5 meter. Means the height of each floor is 5 meter. Okay. It also has 3 floors in the basement. In basement also there are 3 floors. Each of height 5 meter. A lift in the building moves at the rate of 1 meter per second. The meaning of this 1 meter per second is that the lift moves 1 meter in 1 second. If a man starts from 50 meter above the ground, the person is starting, okay, 50 meter above the ground. How long will it take to reach the second floor of the basement? Means that person has to go down. So now just let us see the solution. Because the height of the floor is given 5 meter of one floor. So of 2 floors it will be 5 into 2. Okay, now here is the solution. Height of one floor, it is 5 meter. So height of 2 floors. So here is the solution. Height of one floor, it is 5 meter. So height of 2 floors, it will be 5 into 2, 10 meter. Okay, now the total distance between 50 meter above the ground and the second floor. Okay, because that person is 50 meter above the ground floor and the second floor is on 10 meter. So the total distance is 60 meter. And the speed is given to us 1 meter per second. Means in 1 second that lift goes 1 meter. Okay. So we know this formula. Time is equals to distance upon speed. The distance is 60 meter which we have to travel and the speed is 1 meter per second. So this is giving us 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds means 1 minute. So that person will go in 1 minute till the second floor. Okay, from 50 meter above the ground. So now here is question number 8. At a target shooting stall in a fair, for every chance a person got was paid rupees 15 if he hit the target. Okay, if in hitting the target the person is successful, for each shot, if it is correct, he will be paid rupees 15 and would have to pay rupees 5 to the stall keeper for every shot he missed. If that person missed the target, so he will have to pay rupees 5 to the stall keeper. Okay, how much money did Manish make if he shot a total of 25 times? Total 25 times he shot and missed 5 times. So out of 25, 5 times was a miss. So 20 times was a success. Okay, so now let us just see the solution. So Manish got chance 25. He missed 5 times. Manish shot the target. 25 minus 5, 20. Manish got money because for one successful target, okay, rupees 15 will be paid to Manish. So 15 rupees multiplied by 20 times, it is giving us rupees 300. Okay. So now Manish paid money. How much he had to pay to the stall keeper? Because he just shot 5 missed target. Okay, and for one missed target rupees 5 have to pay. Okay, so 5 5 is 25. So these 300 are rupees which he will get and these 25 rupees which he will have to pay to the stall keeper. So finally total money Manish have 300 he got and he had to pay rupees 25. So finally he got rupees 275. This we have to minus. Okay, now let us see question number 9. Question number 9. A person earned rupees 400 per day. In one day he earns rupees 400. Okay, and out of this he spent rupees 225 per day. And daily he spent how much? Rupees 225. Calculate his saving for the month of June. In June there are 30 days. So here is the solution of question number 9. Earning money rupees 400 per day. In one day he earns rupees 400. Spending money rupees 225 per day. In one day he just spends rupees 225. So saving money, how much money he was saving? That earning money minus spending money. So earning money was rupees 400 per day and spending money was rupees 225 per day. So rupees 175 per day. Rupees 175 per day he was saving. Okay, saving for the month of June, because in June there are 30 days and daily he was saving rupees 175. That's why multiply of 730 and 175. So finally 5250. Thank you very much.